All right, we ready?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. Afi, you take it.
Hey everyone, it's RV East Coast, and today we have a little bit of a different video planned.
Yeah, what do we have in mind?
So I guess this week we are thinking that if you have any questions for us, that we will answer them.
Yeah, maybe we thought that maybe you want to get to know us a little bit better. So yeah, if you have any questions for us, anything you want to know about Fawn or Afton or me, just drop your questions below. And in the next episode of RV East Coast, we're going to be answering those questions.
Yeah.
So easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy.
So,
All right, guys, let us know what you want to know about us, and we will see you in the next episode.
how far is the next episode?
How far? Next week.
Jim.
What will be an
Jim.
awkward question for mommy?
And awkward.
Yeah.
How old is Fawn?
What will be an awkward question for me?
Why do you have a
Where's
beard?
that?
Why do I have a beard?
Where's that accent from?
Oh, that's a good one. Just keep it
Why
in
do you have a
suspense for
beard?
that. A beard? I don't know. I shaved it this morning, and I don't know what happened.
Wait, what's an
If
awkward
you see our
question for
first
me?
video, they'll know why you have a beard. Do much better.
What's
Yeah, you
what's
think so?
Yeah.
What?
what's an awkward question for me?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay.
No, she does not. She will
Thank
never have
goodness.
one of those. What is a boyfriend, anyways? Can we give you a kiss?
Fine.
Mwah. Oh man, I'm happy I was wrong. I didn't know that. That's gonna be fun.